वादग्रस्त सिली सोल्स रेस्टॉरंटाच्या सोऱ्याच्या परवान्याच्या संबंधित केसीचो आयतारा अबकारी आयुक्तान सोक्षमोक्ष लायलो. कागाळेत सोऱ्याच्या परवान्याच्या कायदेशीरपणाक आव्हान दिल्लें. परवानो मेळोवपा खातीर फटीच्या कागदपत्रांचो वापर केल्ल्याचो आरोप आशिल्लो. पळयात.
ॲडव्होकेट आयरिश रॉड्रिक्सान दाखल केल्ले कागाळेंत गामा कुटुंबाक दिल्ल्या सोऱ्याच्या परवान्याच्या कायदेशीरपणाक आव्हान दिलां. परवानो धारकाक मरण आयले उपरांत कांय म्हयन्या उपरांत परवानो कसो नवो केलो असो प्रश्न ताणें केलो.
The complaint filed by the complainant is rejected and therefore the relief to say that the license be cancelled or suspended has not been considered. That prayer has been rejected. The commissioner has also held, taking cue from the earlier judgment that was passed by the commissioner in 2017, where a similar issue had arisen, and there too the parties were contesting the right to continue the business in an inventory court. And at that time also this commission had come to a finding that no, the license has to be continued in favor of the head of the family. So this is the same ratio that has been applied for in this particular case. So this is nothing new that has been carried on in this particular case, and the commissioner has held that the transfer in favor of the wife of Anthony Gama is allowed.
मजगती अबकारी आयुक्तान आपल्या आदेशांत अबकारी परवानो फट आणि अपुरी कागदपत्रां सादर करून आणि तथ्याचें चुकीचें वर्णन करून मेळयला हाचेर पुरायपणान आडनदर केल्या अशें सांगलां. जाल्यार अबकारी अधिकाऱ्या कडल्यान प्रक्रियात्मक चूक स्पश्ट दिसताली. ह्या आदेशाक आतां उच्च न्यायालयात आव्हान दितले.
Order on the complaint that I had filed against the illegally issued excise license to Sealy Souls Cafe and Bar at Asagaon, which was being run by the family of Union Minister for Child and Women Development, Smriti Irani. The order is very surprising. The Excise Commissioner in his order has not referred to the illegalities in obtaining the license. He has not gone on the records that were before him. I am surprised that the Excise Commissioner Narayan Gad chose to be caged parrot of his political masters to try and shield Smriti Irani. He doesn't make any reference in the order to all the documents that were before him. I had placed before him a lease agreement where on 1st of January 2021 that property where Sealy Souls Cafe and Bar is was leased by the owner to aid all the company owned by Zubin Irani, the husband of Smriti Irani. So that record was before the Excise Commissioner. I had also placed before him the records that the GST number used by Sealy Souls was also in the name of that company which is run by Zubin Irani. The food and drugs license was also in the name of that company. So all this had to be taken into record, and the Excise Commissioner has failed to realize.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.